So moving on, I think we should talk about periods right now. I'm really excited about talking about periods.
Let's talk about periods.
Periods!
Periods.
So how long is your cycle?
Fortunately, my cycle lasts for only 3 days. Like,
What?
yeah, I'm not even kidding. So my first day is really painful and I'm like, oh. But then the second day is totally
Chill.
yeah. And my third day is also really good. And I'm all fine on my second and third day. But my first day is really terrible. And
What do you do for the pains then?
I don't do anything. I go through it and
You don't even use hot water bags?
No, I don't. I don't use anything. If it's too much and if I'm at a workplace or if I have to do something really important, if I have a party to attend.
Or you have heels to wear?
Oh yes. So that is when I take like a medicine, tablet.
Oh, Mefta something. Anyways, we are no one to suggest it.
Yeah, so we're not suggesting.
Yeah. For me, my periods usually last 5 to 7 days. So day 1 is the worst for me as well. I bleed the most on day 1 and it's the most painful, and if it pains I take hot water bags as that compression. So what hot water does is like it helps your uterus contract easily, and then it like contracts and just shoves everything out. And then on second day is like pretty chill, and third day is also pretty chill, and then from fourth day onwards it's just droplets trickling out. That's like the most annoying part. And I actually
So the other day I asked Devashri if her she was on her periods, and I asked her if she's fine. So she's like, the tsunami is all gone and it's only the drizzle that happens.
Yeah, it's only drizzling. So what I like to use is this panty liners. These are panty liners. I don't know if you know them. Are you seeing them for the first time?
No, I've used them as well.
So what I like to do is like use this because I don't like those huge ass pads like on days when I just have like
Or
one
maybe
drop.
let's just call them
Drizzles.
No. Let's just call the big pads diapers.
Yeah, man. They're literally like diapers.
And then you're touching your ass and all.
I know. But that helps me. But that's the best, you know. Which pads do you like the most? Which one do you use?
It's very funny, but then there's this so I used to use Whisper, and first I started using Stay Free because it said Stay Free, so I was like, maybe it really does what it says. And
This is carefree.
Then I never felt good, so I started using Whisper. But Whisper is so
Plasticky.
It's so plasticky and it's so
Gives you rashes
flimsy,
very
yeah.
soon.
So then I started using She.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
there's this thing, there's this brand called She, and they are like really nice and soft, and I know they're really huge, but then I like them. They're very comfortable. And
Have you ever tried the Whisper XXL? It's amazing, especially for first day, and especially when you're sleeping. It's literally an adult diaper. I'm not even kidding. One packet is for 75 rupees, and you get only 3 pads in it, and one pad is like this thick, and like you apply. So this is your panty, okay? So this is the panty, okay? And then the pad goes from beginning to end, and then the flaps in the back is like this huge.
Okay.
So it covers like the entire back of the panty.
Okay.
And it has like nice wings which like goes down like that.
Alright.
And it's like really nice. I love that.
I wake up on my first day.
There's stains everywhere.
Yeah, there's stains.
So
all
you
over
won't
the
get-
bedsheet.
you won't
I'm
get-
like, oh.
You won't get stains if you wear this.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you wear tampons?
No.
Neither do
I've
I.
tried.
Me too.
10 times.
I know, like especially if you're on a period and you're trying to put the tampon, and if you don't know how to do that, you know, outside you get those tampons which comes with the applicator, so it's like really easy. You just push it in, and the ones that you get in India are just like hard cotton
it's only
ones.
the hard cotton
Yeah.
and the thread.
And once you know,
That's
and once you
dangling.
don't know how to insert it, your hands can get really disgusting. Like once you're
I
trying
know,
to
so
do,
as
and
my
then you're like
hand was like
sweating, you're like squatting on the thing, and then there's like blood flowing out. See, I have nothing against tampon, and it's like if you insert it properly, which I have once or twice, and it is like really nice and comfortable. You won't even feel that it is inside you.
Oh, I tried wearing it once, and then it was
Painful?
terrible. I mean, it was
You've not
like,
inserted it
my God.
properly.
Yeah, exactly. So then I understood that tampons are not my cup of tea, and I went back to pads.
I think we're done with periods now.
Yeah.
Let's talk about some other miscellaneous stuff. Like I get asked a lot about body odors and stuff.